Today, I'm going to tell you all about the L and J cut, and they sound something like this. Did you catch that? In this video, I'm going to teach you what an L and J cut is, and I'm going to tell you when to use them. Roll intro! So in case you're not sure, in the intro I showed you a sequence with an L and J cut. To understand the L and J cut, you have to look at the letters L and J. A J cut is when you hear the next scene before you cut to it. So here I am, I'm talking, cut to... Following the same logic, an L cut is when you still hear the previous scene after you cut to a new scene. So for example, now I'm playing with my rings. Next scene plays, you still hear my rings. I don't know what I'm doing right now. So in cinema, this technique is frequently used, especially for dialogue. And the result is that you cut from one scene to another quite smoothly. And personally, I believe that it helps the audience orient themselves before you cut to the scene. For example, imagine a movie, I'm here in my house, and then you hear the subway before you cut to the subway. As an audience member, you will know that the next scene is on a subway, or at least some sort of transport. So you've already oriented yourself to the location before the visual indications kick in. All right, simple enough, right? You still follow? Now you know all about the L and J cut. So when should you use it? Well, for example, if you're filming a vlog, I would recommend just using L and J cuts a lot of the times. Assuming your camera has a mounted microphone, you're probably gonna pick up some good sound. All the sound you record is good sort of environmental sound. And my suggestion would be to keep the sound very low, like minus 25 dB. So when you're editing your vlog, you can sort of let the sound stretch into the next clip and into the previous clip. And this in turn will put your audio on a next level. And every cut is going to feel so much smoother. I promise you. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something. And if you did, hit that like button and maybe share it with a friend. I'm John Bear and I will see you in the next video. Bye!